Alright guys, I know a lot of you are new. Maybe you don't have any power tools, a miter saw or anything like that. So I decided to buy a plastic miter box and see what can be done with it. Now, I've never used one of these. I did make one cut off camera when I unboxed it and was so impressed with the cut that I figured I'd make this video just to show you. It's a very clean cut. So let me show you what I got set up. I decided to attach it to a piece of 5/8 inch plywood. There's a couple of two screws on each end, and then clamp that to my workbench. I ripped a piece of 2x4 down to 1.25 inches to support. That's the height from the bottom of the 2x4 down to the workbench, and then I clamped a stop block. So let's say you needed to get, in this case, 18.5 inch piece. I lined it up there. The saw, the miter box comes with this saw. So I put it in the slot, and you can see my mark. I lined it up so it's on either side. Now I'm going to give you a demonstration here in a minute. So it comes with these, I don't know what they call them, these pegs. They're not round, they're kind of oval. So you put them in, you twist, and it puts pressure on the board to keep it in place. But I mean, this thing is solid. It's not moving with the stop block clamped and everything. So you got 45-degree angle slot, 22.5, and the 0.90, and then also has one bevel at 45. So let me set up the camera. I'm going to show you what it looks like sawing through. Okay, it broke through. Here is the cut. It's pretty dang clean cut for a little handsaw like that. Now let's get my angle finder, my digital angle gauge, and let's see if we're at a 90 or not. Okay guys, there's the half of my arrow where I measured. Now I put it up here. And it's right at 90. It's hard to do this one hand. So I'm squeezing in on both sides. It's 90 degrees. Show you once again the cut. You could definitely build some furniture with this miter saw, plastic miter saw box, and the Craig pocket hole jig. Definitely get it done. Alright guys, I want to give you an idea of what the sawdust looked like afterwards. So that's what was left in the box. Got a little on the outside there. So you can see there's a little groove here that allows the saw to go farther down than your wood. So that's what cuts it all the way through. But there's various holes here for different size wood for these pegs to go in and lock. See, here's what I was talking about. You could see, let's see. They're not round, they're oval. So you just put them in, and then you turn it and tighten it up, and it pushes the wood against the side. Pretty cool little setup. There's the screws, one on each. And I used 3/4 inch screws. I just had some extra screws. But there you go. Hope it helps.